Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can hide offensive message requests on Instagram. Maybe you want to hide offensive message requests on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can hide message requests that are offensive on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then from here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and then you'll be directed into your Instagram profile page. From here, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen, and then select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down, and you will see in here the hidden words. Simply tap on these hidden words. In here, tap on the Continue button. And then in here, you'll see Hide Message Request. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. As you can see, message requests that may be offensive will be removed to the hidden request folder. We'll also filter notification for these messages. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can hide offensive message requests on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can hide message requests on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.